In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a rental on Facebook Marketplace to fill rentals faster. This is a fantastic platform with a vast audience, which can help you reach potential tenants with ease. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to go to Facebook, open your favorite web browser, and type in facebook.com, then log into your account if you haven't already. Facebook's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate, so let's head straight to the marketplace. Once you're logged in, look for the marketplace icon. This can usually be found on the left sidebar of your homepage, marked by a little storefront symbol. Clicking on it will direct you to the marketplace page, where you'll see a wide array of items listed for sale or rent. Next, we need to create a new listing. Look for the Create New Listing button, typically situated near the top of the page. This option will open a menu where you can specify what kind of listing you want to make. Choose the Home for Sale or Rent option. Selecting this option will guide you through a series of prompts to create your property rental listing. Now, let's add some visuals to make your listing appealing. Click on the area to add photos or videos. Ensure that you upload high-quality images or videos that showcase the best features of your property. Great visuals can captivate potential renters right from the start. Once your images are uploaded, it's time to choose the rent option. You'll likely find it as a setting or checkbox within the listing options. This informs potential renters that the property is available for lease. Next, it's crucial to specify the type of property you're listing. Maybe it's an apartment, a house, or even a condo. Alongside this, you'll need to indicate the number of bedrooms it has. This information helps filter your listing to reach the right audience looking for that specific type of space. Don't forget to enter the number of bathrooms as well. This detail allows potential tenants to assess whether your listing meets their needs. Following this, we proceed to an essential component, the price. Type in the rental price you expect. Be competitive but realistic to attract inquiries. After you've set the price, determining the location is next. Input the precise location of your rental property. A well-specified location helps interested parties gauge the commute and neighborhood. Once everything is set, click on Next to proceed. At this point, Facebook might prompt you to publish the listing. After you publish, consider sharing it within groups involving realtors or localized community groups where your rental might gain interest. And there you have it. Your listing is now live on Facebook Marketplace, ready to catch the attention of those searching for rental properties. Thanks for watching, and happy renting.